RANTS Reloaded. What's good? What's going on? Welcome back, everybody. Quick video part 1. As you can see, we are back, and I have my PlayStation on in the background trying to download Monster Hunter World, not Monster Hunter Rise, because that's on the Nintendo Switch. So since we're talking about the Nintendo Switch, I want to get into a quick subject: how to fix a broken Nintendo Switch part 1. Now, this is not going to be clickbait, but this is going to be the solutions that I had to use. This is a Nintendo Switch Lite. I'll put some extra little buttons on there, and this is my regular Nintendo Switch. I have about 4 Nintendo Switches in the house, and one of them happened to brick one day. If you don't know what bricking means, it means it did not come back on the power plug. When I plugged it in, it wouldn't start up. It had an orange screen, this, that, and the third. Now, what most people do, you have a lot of do-it-yourselfers that like to get their screwdriver, open things up, go on YouTube, figure out how to fix it. I'm not going to do that. So the quickest way to fix your Nintendo Switch, if it is not under warranty with if you get it like from Walmart or Target, what you're going to have to do is call Nintendo, put in a order. It's going to cost $100. They're going to send you the shipping labels, or they'll email you to print the shipping labels for UPS. You put it in a box. Just the tablet. I don't know about the JoyCons. Just the tablet and the charger. You put it in the box and you send it to one of their repair centers. After that, they look and see what the problem is, and then they fix it. So if it's bricked, sometime what I looked online, is something inside that tripped or whatever. They fixed that. What I had a problem with, they fixed it. They sent it back. When I was installing all of the games that I had, it bricked again, so I had to send it back. It wasn't an extra $100. It's $100 for 100 days. So if you get your PlayStation, not your PlayStation, if you get your Nintendo Switch back, you have an extra 100 days of warranty before you have to pay again if it breaks or if it bricks. So after about 3 times of this daggone, not this one, my other OG Switch, of it, 3 times of it bricking, I literally had to get on the phone with a manager and was like, look, send me a new tablet. Don't stop trying to fix a problem that is not getting resolved. And that's what they did. They sent me a new Switch tablet, and it has worked ever since. That is the quickest way I know how to get a Switch fixed without opening it up and trying to become a tech savvy guru with wire cutters and all type of small little screwdrivers. RANTS Reloaded. Watch out for part 2. It's going to be much quicker on how you could get your Nintendo Switches or Switch fixed if they break. This one is going to be for free. I'll talk to y'all in a second. Peace.